Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. So today we're going to be doing quite a lot of Colourpop swatch videos. I've got 7 in total, 7 different palettes to show you. I actually did them yesterday when the Colourpop haul came to me, but I had lipstick on my tooth all throughout that video and I just didn't feel comfortable putting it up. I know it's only lipstick, but at the end of the day it looked a bit of a mess. So yeah, we're going to start off with this beautiful palette here, the High Society. So let's go over to the vanity and do some swatches. Okay, so here is the little palette in all its glory. So I'm going to keep the packaging for a start. I mean, how cute is that packaging? Because the palette itself is pretty plain. I mean, I do like the packaging, but it is pretty plain. They do remind me, these palettes, of the Natasha Denona bigger ones that she does. Not the minis, I can't remember the name of them, but she does some with pans this size in them, doesn't she? And I think they're normally about £40 in the UK, or £44. So all the shades are on the back, and it just says it's the High Society pressed powder palette. It's cruelty free. The net weight of it is 4.15 grams or 0.15 ounces. And what else? What does that say? Oh yeah, it says where the asterisk says is not intended for use in the immediate eye area. I don't know why they do that. I mean, it's an eyeshadow palette. People are gonna use it, and it's this one, and that's not intended for the eye area. I would have thought it would have been the darker green. Let me just check that again. Yeah, it's definitely that. Sorry guys, I forgot to remove the footage from yesterday off the card and it was full. So yeah, it's definitely this one here, which is called Don't Care. It's got an imprint there. Not that that's going to have anything to do with it. I mean, this is a really pretty palette, is it not? I was looking at the purple one as well that they do, which I can't even remember the name, but it looked pretty. I just decided to get the one. I mean, these really weren't on my radar. I don't really want a lot of small palettes like this from Colourpop. I'd much rather have their 9 pans or their 12 pans. So yeah, we're going to start with Promise, this one here. That is stunning. I'll do another swatch because it's pretty light. Then we're going in with this. I'd say this is a yellow green. It's a sequin shade, and that one is called Fan Fave. You can see the glitters in it. I'll do 2 swatches of that as well. Then we have Buggin', this one here. Wow. Like I said yesterday, which you won't see the video, but this one is definitely the best shimmer in the palette, which there is only 2 shimmers, so yeah, that's that one. Next time I do a Colourpop order, I might actually get the purple one. And then we've got that one that's not intended for the eye area, which I'm going to use, and I'm sure everyone else that has got these palettes will use them as well. It's an eyeshadow palette, like I said earlier. People are going to use the eyeshadows. The only thing that this is going to do is stain the eyelid. Very, very smooth. And then the last one is called Scene. Now, is that not me in a palette? I don't know when I became obsessed with green eyeshadows, but it's gradually been over the last couple of years, I would say. When I first came onto YouTube, if you look at my YouTube channel, it's all neutrals. But you'll be going back years, because I started this channel quite a while ago, and then I separated from my ex and went through that divorce, and I didn't have it in me to do a YouTube channel as well, so I went off YouTube for quite a few years and started my blog. If you've not seen the blog, it's over at beautywithandrea36.blogspot.com, I think, or .co.uk, one of them. I think it's .com, but yeah, I mean, I got quite a lot of support over there, and I really do enjoy writing it. I'm just not writing as much as I was. I'm mainly filming for YouTube. But yeah, they're all the 5 shades that come in the High Society palette. They're absolutely stunning. So let's wipe these off. So let me know if you've got this palette and let me know what your thoughts are on it. I would really like to know. Does it annoy you that Colourpop put things in that aren't intended for the eye area? I mean, it is annoying. But they do write it on there, so I guess that's a good thing as well. But yeah, I mean, a lot of companies like Revolution as well, I've got a palette there, and most of the palette is intended not for the eye area. It's like you're selling eyeshadow palettes that aren't eye safe then, basically, or that are not intended for the eye area, and it's an eyeshadow palette. It makes no sense. Right, so that's as clean as I'm going to get my arm. I can still see some green on it. But yeah, this is the palette, guys. So this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. If you're not already subscribed, I'm currently working on a giveaway and I would love for you to be a part of it. Please like, share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.